one and the same. Reading your vibe, I can see we on the same page. You independent and you ain't needing a thing, but I'ma pull up on you with everything that you crave. What's up? What's the deal? I can't show love if it ain't real. Is it real? I feel like I said this shit too many times before. Now baby, get with the vibe and you can find the door. You can find it, cause it's always a way out. Fuck giving up cause that shit played out. My little baby, that's something I'm not finna play about. I share my world with you. I share my world.
I just got whooped. Y'all hear me? I just got whooped. Crazy. I need a bed. I need to find a bed and go to sleep. And sleep until tomorrow. Because that was super intense. And I need to go to Whole Foods. But I don't even know if I got the strength to walk in here, y'all. I know if I don't, I'm gonna regret it. So I just gotta suck it up and do it. I'm too tired to even talk. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. Peace. All right, guys. So we are now at Bye Bye Baby. I just went to Target and picked up some like paper plates and bowls and stuff because the dishes everyday washing situation is for the birds. So yeah, we will be paper plating it for the remainder of the summer. Because what is happening over here with my hair? It's so hot, y'all. And I decided to wear this romper that's like a freaking sweatsuit. Hold on, this is my dad. Hey, Dad.
You called me 11 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah. Seth at your house.
Oh, yes?
Yeah. I called Deja. She said...
Okay. Cool. Like I said, when I get off, we'll just, you know what I'm saying, have something for them to do and things. And we kick it and we just try to have us a real good time together.
Well, that's all I wanted. I was just kind of let you know that he was at your house.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. I'll be home short.
Okay.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So, yeah, Sefton's at my dad's house. So, we're at Bye Bye Baby for only one thing, really, because Target didn't have it. But I need to get PJ another thing of the mustella wash that I use when I change his diaper. So, any other day, PJ is fine in his car seat. He will just sit in there and chill. No problem. Today, no, he wanted out. And I did not have his car seat cover, nor do I even know where it is. I usually keep it in my diaper bag. I don't know where it is. So I feel like such a bad mom. I did wipe it down really, really good though. I had some wipes, some alcohol wipes that I keep in my purse. So I wiped it down really, really, really good. But I felt like such a bad mom because I always like am prepared, and I was just like, I had to put my baby in this cart without his cover. And so I'm gonna go in here and see if they have some cart covers, because yeah, that just threw me way off because I am usually like on top of it. So yeah, I felt bad, but he's fine. He's actually napping right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here, pick up a couple things that I need to get for him, and then we're gonna head home. I'll make some lunch. I saw on Fancy Homebody's story, I think she did a reel where she made these nachos using bell peppers. So I want to try that because it looked really, really good. But I gotta go back and look up the recipe to make sure I got everything. I think I got everything when I went to Whole Foods yesterday, but I'm gonna double check while I'm out. So yeah, I'm gonna have that, and I'll show you guys how I whip that up when I get home. And yeah, that'll be it. So let's go on to Bye Bye Baby. I'll bring you guys with me in case there are any moms watching that likes this type of stuff. I do. Yeah. Oh, and also Bed Bath & Beyond sent me a coupon. It's like they knew I was about to come here, so they sent me a text message coupon that I can use in Bye Bye Baby for 20% off, so I will be using that. But yeah, all right, let's go. Alright, so here are the shopping cart and high chair covers, but I don't like these. Like, I don't like that. That's for a girl. I'm just gonna go on Amazon and see if I can find some. So those are ugly. Alright guys, we are back home now. I was just sitting here watching Married at First Sight. Do you guys watch that? I'm on episode 3. I think that's the most recent episode, but this show is so good. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys really quick what I picked up from Bye Bye Baby for the baby. So I picked him up this silicone bear teether. Super cute. It's by the brand Mushy. I love this brand. He has several little mushy things. Like, he has this little like stacking little set thing. Also has some other toys made by this brand. And he loves putting things in his mouth, so I try to buy him little teethers because yeah, these are like great for on the go. I can just throw them in the diaper bag. So yeah, I just like to have little teethers like this on hand for him, and I just like the way they look. Not too like bright and like colorful. It's just very subtle and minimal. Totally my style. And then I picked him up one of the silicone snack cups by the same brand. Just put his little snacks in there, and we can kind of take this on the go when we're on our walks, or if we're out and about, because one thing about PJ, he is gonna snack. He loves to eat. Like, he eats everything. So I have to have snacks in my bag all the time because he just loves to eat. So I got this one, and it's just in a gray. It's just really nice. Then I picked him up a little infant toothbrush because he has a total of 6 teeth now, and so it's time to start forming those healthy habits for him. And so I got him this one. It's by Radius for 6 months and up, And it's just a cute little clear toothbrush, if you guys can see. You know, I just like things to just, you know, just be a little more aesthetically pleasing, even when it comes to my children. So yeah, I think he's really gonna enjoy this. Whenever we're in the bathroom getting ready, he's always looking at us like, what are you guys doing? So I wanted to get him his own little toothbrush. And then the main thing I went in for was the cleansing water. This is a no rinse cleansing water by Mustella. I decided to go ahead and get the larger bottle, which I didn't even know that they had a large bottle. So I went in and I saw it. So I got the large one because I can refill this smaller one. So the small one is $14.99 and the large one is $24.99. So I was like, I might as well just get the large one, and that way I can just pour it in here and refill it as I need it, because I use this after every diaper change. This is also great for like wiping and cleansing your baby's face in the morning or in the evenings, cleaning their hands. And so what I like to do is just take one of his washcloths and I put a few little pumps in a washcloth and I just clean off his face, around his mouth, you know, clean his eyes out. And it's very gentle. And so I do that every single day. And then when I change his diaper, I spray his bottom with this, and then I use a wipe to clean him up after every diaper change. He has never, ever, ever had diaper rash. Sefton never had diaper rash. I use this same product on him. It works great. So highly recommend. It is expensive, but it's so worth it. And it has a really nice clean scent. So got that in the large size. And yeah, that's what I picked up from Bye Bye Baby. I'm gonna make him some lunch, and then I'll share with you guys the pepper like nachos that I'm gonna make. Catch you guys in a little bit.